Ever have a brilliant idea bubble up inside you, but when you try to share it, it just fizzles out? Getting your ideas heard isn't magic, it's a skill, and it starts with how you use your voice. Think of your voice like the dashboard of a car. You have a volume gauge. You don't want to be in the red zone, shouting in people's ears, and you don't want to be in the low zone, whispering so no one can hear. You're aiming for that perfect green zone, a clear presentation voice that fills the room comfortably. Then there's your pace, the speedometer. If you go too fast, your words get all squashed together. Too slow, and your listeners might start daydreaming. Aim for a steady walking speed. It gives each word space to land and be understood. Now, what about the words themselves? Don't just throw out a single word, like games. Build a complete thought around it. Say, I think we should play outdoor games because it is sunny. This paints a full picture for your listener, making your idea impossible to ignore. Finally, let's add the polish. Clarity means saying every sound distinctly, no mumbling. And tone is the emotion you put behind your words. If you're sharing something exciting, let your voice sound bouncy and happy. If it's serious, keep it calm and steady. This, along with making eye contact, is how you truly connect with people. Before you start, here's a secret weapon. Take one deep breath. It settles your nerves and gives your voice more power. Want to practice? Try being a weather reporter for your own backyard. Stand tall and project. Good morning. Today it's very sunny with a bit of wind. See? It's not about being the loudest. It's about being clear, confident, and heard. Your ideas deserve nothing less.